In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your stay on Airbnb. If you're enjoying your getaway and want to stretch those relaxing days a bit longer, extending your stay can often be an easy process. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to the Airbnb website by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, look for the menu icon, typically situated in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down, and here you'll need to select the option to log in or sign up. If you've already created an account with Airbnb, simply choose the login option. The process is pretty straightforward. After clicking on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the account that's connected with your Airbnb profile. This method is quick if you're often signed into a Google account on your device. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself back on the home page. Again, look towards the upper right-hand section and click on the menu icon. From this menu, select Trips. This section houses all the reservations and itineraries you have lined up with Airbnb, making it your go-to for any trip adjustments. With the list of your trips displayed, locate the specific trip you wish to extend. Clicking on it will take you to the reservations main page. On this page, there's a clear option labeled Change Reservation. This is your gateway to modifying your booking details. In the Change Reservation area, you'll see an option to extend your stay by adjusting the dates. Carefully select the date you desire as your new checkout day. Keep in mind that the availability of the property will dictate whether your preferred extension days are possible, so it's best to have a couple of date options in mind. Once you've selected the new dates, scroll down and click Send Request. This step is important because it alerts the host of your intention to extend the stay. The host will need to review and approve this request, so allow them some time to respond. Planning ahead can increase your chances of a successful request. If your request is approved, you'll receive a confirmation from Airbnb, typically via email or an app notification. Check the details carefully to ensure everything's in place. And just like that, you're set for a few extra days in your chosen paradise. Thanks for following along, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more handy tutorials. Enjoy your extended vacation.